Saroni grits his teeth to finish even a short walk. Injured in a car accident 11 years ago, this Indonesian man once believed life would never get better.
Ya susah dah, susah gitu buat bergerak lagi gitu. Karena sebelahnya kan kaku banget ini, Bu. Jadi saya nggak bisa buat ngangkat-ngangkat saya paksain biar gimana caranya biar saya ada tenaga gitu dah.
The hit-and-run driver fled the scene, and Saroni spent 20 days in a coma, nearly dying. Surviving brought no joy, because he still had to find ways to make ends meet. He helped his parents at their food stall, and when that wasn't enough, he collected leftover food from neighbors, dried it, and sold it as animal feed, earning about $4 a month. He lived on one meal a day, telling himself it was better than nothing.
Yang bantu dari listrik, air, saya juga.
His money problems seemed endless, until an unexpected ray of hope shone into his life.
Waktu pertama kali survei dibandingin tadi itu kemajuannya banyak sekali. Jadi waktu itu jalannya tuh parah sekali, sekarang udah lumayan bisa jalan.
Whenever he receives financial aid from Tzu Chi, he sets a little aside, taking it as a chance to rebuild his life.
Dengan bantuan dari Buddha Suci, nanti akan saya tabungin uangnya tuh ke bank ya. Nanti kalau emang udah banyak, saya bantu orang tua saya buat bangun rumah gitu. Atapnya emang nggak bocor, temboknya udah pada rapuh, Bu.
He didn't dwell in self-pity, and eventually, luck turned his way. He's resilient, like grass on barren ground that the wind can't knock down. ITV reports.